You got the $800 wallet, but no money in it. Here's the reason. You had your money in the wrong place to start with, which made you go ahead and make an impulsive purchase. So you got your money in your pocket, you walking around with $600-700 cash in your pocket. Some of us are doing it to show off, to be like, look, I got bread. Some of us, we just don't have nowhere else to put it. So I'm gonna start to give you something that you need to start your foundation. You need to open up a checking account. Your checking account is your wallet. That's the place where you're gonna put your money for your everyday spending. So you going out to grab something to eat, you gotta go buy your groceries, you gotta pay your rent, your light bill. That money goes into your checking account. It's a digital wallet for your cash. This way, you're not walking around with that cash in your pocket and you're not tempted to make a purchase that you're not supposed to make. That's not gonna help you. The fact that you have to have it in a checking account puts an extra layer of protection for you also, because what's the real about it? Somebody puts a gun to your back, they take your $600 out your pocket, it's gone. But if somebody takes money out of your checking account, there's ways to get that money back. So you need to start your foundation. You need a checking account. This is for your daily expenses. This is stuff that's gonna come up every day, every week, every month. Remember it. Let's get those open. Let's get those started to have a strong foundation to get your money right. Again, as always, we appreciate you. Like, subscribe, and share. We'll be back at you. No label. He said, I'm tired.